Very good morning, children. Yes. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Then had your breakfast. Very good. Then we will start. Please tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 22nd. We are in the September month. Year is 2021. Today is Wednesday, right, children? Yes. You have English. Yes. Let us see what is the thought for the day. No one is born happy, but everyone is born with the ability to create happiness. Okay, this is the thought for the day. Yes, take out your English textbook, children, part 1. Yes, we completed lesson 3 also, right? Yes, we completed the lesson. We learned a lesson about the price of the coconut, right? How much price for the coconut? Yes, he is bargaining. Yes, in this lesson we learned, right? Yes, he is bargaining. He was a messiah. Yes, yes, we should not be messiah in our lives, right? Yes. Then we completed till page number 17. Yes, children. Yes. Now open page number 18. Speaking project. We have speaking project here. Introduce yourself. Prepare a short speech about yourself using the points below. Okay, you should prepare for a short speech about yourself. Okay, about yourself. You can tell your name, age, and about your parents. Who are your parents? Like your mother. Father is your father's name. Your mother's name. Your brother's name. Like that. Okay, siblings. Brother or sister if you have, you can mention their names. And about your family, how many members are there in your family, where you are living, is like that you can mention. And your friends also, you can tell about who is your best friend also. Then which languages you will speak, which language do you speak at home, and which languages do you speak at school, like that, okay. And you can, which subjects are interesting for you, about that also you can speak. Then your likes, dislikes, then your hobbies, what are interests you have, about that and all you can speak in this speech, okay. So you have to make a video of introducing yourself using these points, okay. You have to make one video and you should send it in the group. This is the homework for today. Note down now itself, children. The homework is you have to make a video. You should introduce yourself using these points. I already told you your name, age, your parents, your siblings, your friends. Yes, then which subject you like, which you don't like. Yes, then you can also say what you are able to speak, how many family members are there in your house. Like that, about that you will make one small video, okay, and send it in the group. This is the homework for today, okay. Now we move on to the class. Yes, next we have reading comprehension. Passage 1. Okay, we have passage here. Let us read this. Read the passage and answer the questions below. Here the questions also they are given. First we will read the passage. Okay. See, in Amalapuram lives a young shepherd named Ramu. He works for money. Okay, a farmer every morning. Yes, in Amalapuram a young shepherd is living. His name is Ramu. Okay. He works for money. A farmer every morning. He is a farmer also. Every morning Ramu opens the gates of the pen shed where the sheep will be left, right, where the sheep will be living. That is called pen. That is also shed, okay, of the sheep. He will open the gates with a bunch of keys. He will have a bunch of keys with him. This is Ramu, okay. This is where the sheep are kept. This is where the sheep are being kept. He drives the flock of sheep into the forest where they eat grass. These are the flock of sheep, group of sheep only called as flock of sheep. Okay. He will drive them to the forest where they can eat grass. Okay. In the forest, Ramu is not alone. Ramu is not alone. Okay. He has a dog to help him. He has one dog with him which will help him. Okay. My work is impossible without Blackie. Yes, the dog name is Blackie. Without that dog, his work is not, it is not possible. Okay. He says Blackie helps him to control the sheep. To control the sheep, the Blackie dog will help him. Okay. Blackie also guards Ramu and the sheep from wild animals. That the Blackie dog is there, right? He will help to guard Ramu and the sheep from the wild animals. It will help to ride off the animals. It will shout, it will bark, and it will what? It will make run that wild animals. Okay. Blackie is a loyal and helpful dog. Blackie is a loyal and helpful dog. Okay. Now questions. Who lives in Amalapuram? Who lives? A young shepherd named Ramu lives in Amalapuram, right? Yes. I will write on the board. Please write down, children. Yes. What is the first question? Take out your English classwork book, children. Take out your English classwork book and write the heading English. Write reading comprehension. Then start writing this. So no need. No need, children. Sorry, no need in classwork. If you write in textbook, I think that is enough. Okay. Yes, I will write on the board. You will copy in your textbook. No need English classwork. Okay. Yes. I will write only answers. You should write it here the given space. Okay. Yes. Who lives in Amalapuram? A young shepherd. Young shepherd named Ramu lives in Amalapuram. Okay. Second question. What is the second question? Who helps Ramu with his work? Who will help? Tell me. Ramu's dog. Correct? Yes. Ramu's dog helps him with his work. Okay. With his work. Yes. Then next we have write the plural forms of the words given below. Here they have given words in singular. You have to write it in plural. Okay. Yes. Let us see. See here. Sheep. Sheep is a plural also, and even it is a singular also. Okay. Some words come singular, plural, same. Okay. So you will write down sheep only. Okay. You have seen in this passage also they have written sheep only. They have not written sheeps. Correct. So you will write sheep. Okay. Then next key. Keys. Here they have mentioned keys. Correct. So write down keys. Dog. Dogs. Yes, dogs. Okay. Yes. Then turn the page. Next we have write the word from the passage. That means a large place covered by trees. Large place. It is covered by trees. Which is that? Forest. Correct. Write down forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest is the word. See here in the question. Forest you will write then the word from the passage. That means a large place covered by trees. Till here. After writing forest, then you will continue from these questions. See from here to here. Okay. Are you getting? Is completed now itself, children. This is classwork. Match the words with their correct meanings. Correct meanings you have to match. Shepherd means a person who takes care of, a person who looks after sheep. Okay, who will look after the sheep is called shepherd. So put one here. Farmer. Farmer means a person who takes care of a farm. Who takes care of a farm is called farmer. Write 2. Then loyal. Loyal means faithful. Okay, write 3. is completed. Next we have passage 2. Read the passage and answer the questions given below. One more passage we have. Let us read that, children. Yes, listen carefully. Once upon a time, a famine broke out in a kingdom. Yes, once upon a time, a famine broke out in a kingdom. That means in the kingdom, famine means there is no proper food to eat. Okay, that is called famine. So, in the kingdom, many people are not getting a proper food. Okay, there was very little food. There was little food only, not more. Every day, the children of the city went to the rich man's house. In the rich man's house, there was a little bit food there, so that these children daily they were going to eat the food over there. Okay, they went there to get loaves of bread. Loaves means pieces of breads. Okay. As soon as the servants brought out the loaves, all the children used to fight to get the biggest loaf. Yes, all the children are fighting to get the biggest piece. Okay, like that the children were doing when the servant is bringing that loaves. Okay. One little girl never fought. One girl was there in the children's room. One girl was there. That girl didn't fight only. Okay. She waited patiently for her turn. She is waiting for her turn. When they will give her like that, she is waiting. She is not fighting like others. Okay. She always got the smallest loaf right at the end. At the end last, she is getting very small piece of bread only. Okay. One day, as usual, she brought home the smallest loaf. As usual, she brought the smallest piece of bread to home. Okay. When she cut it, she found 2 gold coins in it. When she cut that right, she got 2 gold coins in that bread. Okay. She went back at once to return the money. Yes, when she got the gold coins, what you people will do? You will put it in your pocket, right? But that girl never did that. She went to return it back. Okay. The rich man was pleased with her honesty. That is the honesty. When it is not belonging to us, we should not keep with us. We should return it for who's that? If it is the pen yours, I should not take your pen, right? I should return it to you. Yes, like that only that girl also returned the gold coin to that rich man. Okay. Rich man saw very good, very honest she is, like that he felt very good about her. Okay, her character. He gave her 4 gold coins as a reward. Yes, she was a very great thing she has done, right? She has returned the gold coins to that rich man. So rich man got impressed and he gave another 2 more coins to her. 4 coins also he gave. You keep like that because you are a good girl. That's why I am giving this prize, like that he has given. Okay. Now we have the questions. Why would the children go to the rich man's house every day? Why the children were going to the rich man's house every day? Yes, tell me. Because to get loaves of bread. Yes, yes. So you will write down here. Yes, children. Okay, I will write on the board. Okay, I will write on the board. You copy down this, children. Shall I write? So, this is the passage 2 answers. Okay, passage 2 answers these are. Why would the children go to the rich man's house every day? Yes, the children. Write down how many said children. Write down the children went to the children goes to the children goes to the rich man's house every day to get loaves of bread. Okay. Then second one. Why did the little girl find in her loaf one day? What did she find? Tell me. The little girl find. The little girl found. The little girl. It is visible, children. The little girl found 2 gold coins. 2 gold coins in her loaf. Yes, children? Yes, the little girl found 2 gold coins in her loaf. Then next we have punctuate the following sentence. Page number 21. Punctuate the following sentence. The little girl went to the rich man's house. Yes. See here the first starting letter is very smaller. Right? You have to write the bigger one. Always when you start the sentence, it should be in the capital letter. Okay. So write down the little girl. Write down here you should write. Don't write like this. Okay. You should write the sentence again. The little girl went to the rich man's house. Full stop. Okay. Write down the starting capital letter and at the end you should put full stop. This sentence copy down. Okay. Use T in capital. Then full stop. Okay. Yes. Then next. What are you doing with the small loaf of bread? Yes. What? W should be in capital. Okay. Write down capital. Copy. Then at last you put question mark. Because this is a question. What are you doing? Right? Question. So you should put question mark. Then the girl bought a blue and green dress with a gold coin. The T. It should be capital, right? Starting sentence. The girl bought a blue and green dress with a gold coin. Then full stop you should put. Okay? Yes. Rewrite again. You should write again the sentence. Then fourth one. Write the word from the passage that is opposite to the punishment. What it is? Yes, tell me. See the word. Write down the word from the passage that is the opposite of the word punishment. Punishment opposite is, tell me, reward. Yes, is reward. R-E-W-A-R-D. I have written in hand this right now, right? That's why it is like this. You write neatly, children. See, the word from the passage that is the opposite of the word punishment is reward. Okay? Don't write again. This is not there. Okay? Write down. Only copy down this. Now itself, children. Yes. Then next we have match the words with the correct meanings. Correct meanings. Okay. Famine. What is famine? Extreme lack of food. Extremely food is not there. That is called as famine. Okay. Patiently. Calmly without anger. Honesty. The quality of telling the truth. That is honesty. Okay. Write down 3. 3, 1, 2. Okay. Yes. Complete it now itself, children. Yes. Yes. Then we completed the lesson. Yes, we completed the lesson. So, what is your homework? I already told you in the beginning itself what a homework I have given. You have to make a video of, tell me, of introducing yourself, right? Just not only saying your name, age, class, everything. You should mention about your family members, parents, Your family members, how many are there? Yes, then your siblings also, your friends, about your friends, then your language, what all languages you will speak, then which subject you like, then what are your likes and dislikes, yes, then what are your hobbies, when free time is there, what is your hobby, like reading story books, collecting stamps, collecting coins, right, like that something, or painting, drawing, yes, anything will be there, right, your hobby. About that also you need to tell, yes, in this video. So please children, each and everybody should do this video, because it is in the book itself, you have to do, okay, do it and send it in the group for correction, each and everybody should do, okay, then only you will also get the knowledge how to speak in front of others, you will get one idea how to introduce yourself, right? So please do this, yes children. Yes, everybody should do. Okay. Yes, then today this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.